Hey guys, so today I am filming another cleaning room video. My room has definitely gotten out of control. I'm gonna try and get all of this clean in like maybe 4 hours. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I need to do it because I do not want to spend all day cleaning my room. I feel like with enough determination, you can do anything you want to do. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Ow, that was a bad position. So right now it is 12:09. 4 hours from now is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. 4 hours from now is 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna give myself till 5 o'clock to finish this. Am I gonna be able to do it? Probably not. But you know what? Positivity is always the best way to go. So I'm going to try to get this done by then because again, I do not want to spend hours on this. So I guess we'll see. I'm gonna start off with something easy. So I'm gonna start off with this counter over here because it doesn't have that much stuff in it and maybe it will motivate me to keep going. Then I'm gonna move on to my floors because look at this. Like this is just like, this is insane. Like I just, don't judge me, but honestly judge me because if you judge me hard enough, maybe I will start to clean my room more often, which I do, by the way. All right, so let's get cleaning. 5 hours. If your room's dirty, clean your room too. Oh, by the way, if you see like random bags in my room, they aren't trash. There were clothes that I was gonna sell, but I just decided to donate them because whatever, I'd rather just donate them. So I'm going to try and get my, well, the first section of my floor done in like an hour. I'm gonna say an hour and 30 minutes. So it's 12:34 right now. So let's see if I can do it. So it's 1:40. I was able to clear off this section of my room. So this is pretty much done. If I can just do this section, then all of this side will be done. And then I just have to worry about the section over there near my closet. So I'm just gonna focus on this. Hopefully I can get this done by 2:30. The last section of my room. It is now 2:14, so I know I said I want to finish by 4 or 5. It's looking like I'm not gonna finish until about 5 o'clock. So yeah, this is basically all I have left. So hopefully this takes me like an hour. The pink basket is my laundry and the blue is my clean clothes. I probably won't show me putting it away in this video. I'm not really sure. but let's see. Okay guys, so it's 3:23 and I basically finished this section of my room. My room sounds really echoey now. Obviously I told you guys about the laundry, so now I just have to clear all that stuff in my bed and make it. Just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna make my bed and get all the stuff off. But later on when I do my laundry, I am going to be washing my sheets, so don't worry, I am not going to sleep in these dirty sheets because that's disgusting, especially since some of this stuff were definitely on the floor and I just put them on my bed, so I cannot sleep like that. So yeah, let's do this, guys. Now it's 3:25 and hopefully I finish by 4. I'm so tired. So I'm finally done cleaning my room. It took me about 3 hours and 30 minutes. That's the time right here. Technically I finished 5 minutes ago, but whatever, we'll go with 3 hours and 30 minutes. So I'm so happy with my room. It's very echoey in here, which is something I want to talk about. I think I want to start adding some more like decor pieces in my room. Maybe a few frames here, a little bit of there. Not really sure, so if you guys have any ideas of like what you think I should do, definitely let me know. I know some of you guys have said like, yeah, you feel like my room is kind of plain, which I do agree. I like the minimalistic look, but I do think that I could add, I guess, certain things to my walls. So I was thinking about adding either like a shelf or a print above my bed, and then I wanted to add a print where I have my snake plant, or maybe like a storage unit for like purses or shoes. I'm not really sure, so let me know. And this side of my room I'm pretty satisfied with. It's like my favorite. But this side, I broke my makeup mirror, so I definitely need to get a new one. The decor on this makeup table is honestly really bad because I broke a lot of the pieces that were there. So I'm definitely working on this. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And for the wall, I wasn't sure if I should get like a mirror for the wall because I have a mirror here and I just feel like that will look weird. I don't know if I'm crazy and that's not weird, but I feel like that's a little weird having two mirrors facing each other. So let me know what you guys think about that. Yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to see more cleaning room videos from me, turn your post notifications on so you know when I actually drop the video. And yeah, thumbs up the video. Leave me some more requests down below because I'm always looking for ideas and I always want to know like what you guys want to see from me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.